Jai Bhole guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Today's reading is going to be the usual. You have to ask a question in your mind and I'm going to answer it in a yes or no. Also, we're going to have angel guidance message, what you're supposed to concentrate on in your life right now, and goddess guidance message as to what is coming ahead for you. So without further ado, let's start. The choices are right in front of you. The first one is orange, sort of reddish orange carnelian pyramid. Second is green aventurine, and I've forgotten the name. I think this is soda light. No, I might be mistaken. So let's go with the colors as such: orange, green, and blue. These are your choices for the day. The first group of people who have chosen this pyramid. Before starting the reading, I just want to request you guys to follow me on Instagram because I've been posting every day twice over there, just short videos. I don't think people are watching short videos on my YouTube much, but do follow me on Instagram at triambaka.in and you'll be getting a lot of other messages there as well. So let's start. First group of people who have chosen orange pyramid as their choice. Please ask a question and your answer is a beautiful yes. You had been disappointed in the past. You were literally waiting for things to turn around in your favor. It seems like things are really going to happen. The Sun card is here. I see some celebration, someone's birthday, someone's anniversary, maybe some kind of a get together, and a lot of emotional happiness. The answer is a yes. What should you be concentrating on in your life right now? The card has come of body changes. This card has come a lot in a lot of readings in the past. Simply meaning you have to take care of your body, the food that you eat, the way you are, basically a lifestyle change. If you've been sleeping too much, try to wake up in the morning. If you're just eating too much, try to have a balanced diet. This basically means try to balance yourself emotionally, physically, and spiritually. Now is the time for literal changes in your body. It could be a mental state, as in you can start meditating, you can start going out in the nature much, and just taking a break from daily schedules or monotonous living. Basically saying that you need to have major body changes now. This is going to help you achieve a lot of more success in the future. The angel message that has come from goddess is peace. There is no need to worry as everything is working out beautifully. This card means that this is you in the arms of a beautiful angel. That means you need to be like a child right now. You need not worry about what's going to happen in the future or what has happened in the past. Simply just trust that the whole universe is going to help you, guide you through, and you're going to get what you've been wanting. That's beautiful. Now coming down to unicorn angels, beautiful message that has come is honesty. Honesty will ultimately be rewarded. It is such a beautiful message saying that maybe you had been disappointed in the past, maybe things were not going your way and you had been an honest person. Just don't compromise your honor even now, as honesty is going to be rewarded. You have been on the right track. The angels have been listening to you. Your prayers are going to be answered. It was a beautiful message. I hope this reading helped the first group. Coming to the second group of people who have chosen green aventurine or green color pyramid as their choice. Please put a question in your mind and your answer is, I'm sorry, your answer is a no. You were expecting finally things to turn out in your favor and you thought you've done it all. But somewhere I think the answer is coming a no. You've been giving it nicely with a lot of passion, a lot of love, but I see there's somewhere a lot of not ego, but yeah, you have not been you have been taking care with love, but I think your speech had not been very good or favorable for you, and now you're thinking what went wrong. The answer is a no. What you should be concentrating on right now is realization and epiphanies. It makes sense to what your tarot has given an answer as. This means, oh, I forgot to turn on the light. I was wondering why the video is so dark. Anyway, so realization and epiphanies here means that maybe you have come to realize some truths about life right now, or maybe for few of you, if someone has been in a relationship or a marriage, maybe you have finally found out what was not, you know, someone was not being true to you. Maybe some truth has been revealed, maybe about someone close to you or yourself, as in you have realized your past mistakes. Probably you've been thinking the wrong way, you've been doing things wrong. This is the time of realizations and correcting your mistakes. This is a card which is going to tell you what you need to concentrate on right now. The goddess angels are trying to say a very beautiful message here. Fertility or Stara. It is the perfect time for you to start new projects, access new ideas, and give birth to new conditions. Again, this card makes a lot of sense to whatever the angels have said, the butterfly angels have said before. It's time for realization and epiphanies. I think right now you need a lot of divine support, and divine support is going to help you reach your new potential, or maybe not do mistakes or repeat your past mistakes. So here this card is also saying that something that is going to help you bring that change in you is being close to flowers or essential oils, essential bath oils. You can take a bath with flowers. Trust me, it really works. We all do it on the full moon, especially healers out there, they know. And you can start keeping fresh flowers around you in your room when you're sitting. They're just going to give you a boost of new ideas and make you realize that, you know, things can start again. I can start afresh, and you can forget about your past mistakes and learn from them and try to not repeat them. Your unicorn angel message is soul purpose. Act on your soul purpose today. Again, this is a very beautiful card, and this basically, I've done a lot of readings with this card, personal readings, and this card has always come out for people who have really been struggling somewhere, you know, trying to achieve things, and they have really been working hard as well, but they don't get the result. So the soul purpose here tries to tell you that don't try to see where you have reached and why you're not getting the results. This is just trying to tell you this is your soul purpose. You know, they say the gold cannot be properly be shining unless you hit it too many times. My examples are really silly, but I hope you're trying to understand. So your soul purpose is to, you know, keep working hard for things that you want, and if it is not working out, doesn't mean you are at failure. This means your soul purpose is to be forgiving, to be just understanding, and keep learning. I know this might not be a very comforting message, but trust me, this is what it is. It's a soul transformation for you. I hope this video helped. The third group of people who have chosen the blue pyramid for yourself, please put a question in your mind. And your answer is a beautiful yes. There have been a lot of delays. You were waiting literally for things to turn in your favor. For some of you, maybe your investments are going to pay you off. It's the right time. And for some of you, you're going to get your power back in things where you were stern and stubborn and not giving up. Now you're finally going to get it. Your answer is a yes. What you should be concentrating on in your life right now is join in from the butterfly angels. Now join in means literally going in and doing things. It's like not just speaking, it's like walk the talk. Now it's the time for action. If you have been taking some sessions or some charity work that you're just donating money, this is the time to go and do it yourself. Go and do the deed yourself. And if you're joining certain things online because of the pandemic going on now, things are kind of okay, but they might get bad. So I wouldn't suggest you to go out and mingle around with people. But if you're trying to join something, be it a yoga class, be it gym, be it exercise, be it meditation classes, go and join it yourself instead of just watching them on YouTube or videos and doing it yourself. It's time to join in and make your body do things right now. Your angel message from the goddess is blossoming, which is a beautiful message. I'll just show you the card. You are just getting started, so have the patience with yourself and the process and do not give up. Now, you are like a bud in a flower. You're just ready to be blossoming and blooming. There's a pictorial message indicates that you should be more in the daylight. You should start working more in the first half of the day. If you have been lazy, get away with your laziness and try to finish your work in the daytime, that is before the sundown, because it's going to bring the best outcomes of your efforts and it's going to help you achieve your success. And also it is the time where now finally you're going to get things, and your hard work is going to finally be rewarded. This is what the card says. Your angel unicorn message is soul satisfaction. Aim for that which makes your soul rejoice. Again, a very comforting and a beautiful message where your angels are trying to tell you that try to put in your effort in things that bring you happiness. It could be painting, it could be artwork, it could be music, it could be singing, dancing, it could be going to the gym, meditating, even starting a new course, starting a new business, starting a new venture. Definitely you're going to get success in something that you're going to enjoy doing. Like what your passion is, try to make that into your work and you will get success. So this was the reading for today. I hope you all liked it. If you did, please do hit the like button. It really does help. And till the next video, all of you take care. Jai Bhole.